In this video, we're going to talk about dividing with exponents. So here I have 7 to the 5th power divided by 7 to the 3rd power. And I'm going to expand this as a way of explaining how this works. So this is basically 7 multiplied by 7, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 7. That would be 7 to the 5th in expanded form. And here's my fraction for my division. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Okay, so I've got a fraction, and I've got 7's in the numerator, 7's in the denominator. And most of you remember that this means you can simplify. And that's what I'm going to do. This 7 and this 7, this 7 and this 7, this 7 and this 7. Which means for my denominator, of course, it would be a 1. And what am I left as a numerator? 7 multiplied by 7, which is the same as 7 to the 2nd power. So how do you divide with exponents? Like this. 7 to the 5th power over 7 to the 3rd power is the same as 7 to the 5th power minus 3, which of course equals 7 to the 2nd power. And the question becomes that most students have is, well, what do I subtract? Well, you always subtract the denominator from the numerator. You subtract the denominator from the numerator when you are dividing with exponents. And of course, this requires that the exponents have the same base. In this case, the base is 7 for both of them. Let me show you one more example here. How about if I had something like x to the 6th power divided by x to the 2nd power. Now, the bases are the same. They're both x. I'm going to make this into x to the 6th power minus 2. And what do I end up with? Well, 6 minus 2 is 4. This would be the same as x to the 4th power. And now I've simplified. So remember, you're always subtracting the denominator from the numerator when you're dividing with exponents that have the same base.